नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रों, आता आपण तिसऱ्या भागाकडे वळूया. A survey was conducted in Adarsh Vidyalaya to know the inclination of the student towards the different objects. The data obtained is presented by the adjacent pie diagram. If the total number of the student was 500, answer the following questions. How many students show the inclination towards mathematics? How many students are inclined towards the social sciences? How many more students are inclined towards the languages than the science? Now see, this is the pie diagram, that is mathematics 126 degree, science 72, social science 54, and the languages, that is equals to 108. Now we'll find out the, let n is equals to 500. For mathematics, theta is equals to 126 degree. Number of the students showing the inclination towards the mathematics is equals to theta upon 360 into n is what? That is 500. And after the calculation, that is 126 upon 360 into 500 equals to 175. Similarly, the number of the students for the mathematics, that is 175. The number of the students showing the inclination towards social science, that is the 54 upon 360 into again 500, and after the calculation we are getting the 75. Therefore the social science student, that is equals to 75. Number of the student showing the inclination towards the science, again 72 upon 360 into 500, and that is equals to 100. Number of the students towards the science, that is equals to 100. Number of the students showing the inclination towards the languages, that is 108 upon 360 into 500, and that is equals to 150. Therefore, the number of the students showing the inclination toward the languages, that is equals to 150. Therefore, 175 students show the inclination towards the mathematics, 75 students show the inclination towards the social science, 50 more students show towards languages than science. Now we'll start the next question. The sum of the two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing its digit is 121. Find the number if it's a unit place digit is greater than the 10th place digit by 7. We'll see the answer. Let the unit place digit is equals to x, 10th place digit is equals to y. The required number is equals to 10y plus 1 dot x. म्हणजे 10th place digitला आपण 10 ने मल्टिप्लाइड करतो आणि युनिट प्लेसला 1 ने मल्टिप्लाइड करतो. Therefore the required number is 10y plus x. Now what is the given condition there? The number obtained by reversing the digit, that is 10x plus y. By first condition, what is the sum of the number and the number obtained by reversing the digit? That is 10y plus x plus 10x plus y is equals to 121. Therefore 11x plus 11y is equals to 121. Take 11 as a common, then in bracket 11 in bracket x plus y is equals to 121. Therefore x plus y is equals to 121 upon 11. Therefore x plus y is equals to 11. This is the equation number 1. By second condition, that is a difference, that is x minus y is equals to 7. These are the two equations. If you add these two equations, that is x plus y is equals to 11, x minus y is equals to 7, then plus y minus y get cancelled, then you are getting that 2x is equals to 18. Therefore x is equals to 18 upon 2, x is equals to 9. Now put the value of x is equals to 9 in equation number 1, that is x plus y is equals to 11, that is 9 plus y is equals to 11. Therefore y is equals to 11 minus 9. Therefore y is equals to 2. Therefore the required number is 29. Now next, question number 5. Solve any one of the following. The distance between Akola and the Bhusawal is 168 km. An express train take 1 hour less than a passenger train to cover the distance. Find the average speed of each train if the average speed of the express train is more by 14 km per hour. Find the speed of the passenger train. Now we'll see the answer. The distance between the Akola and the Bhusawal is 168 km. Suppose average speed of the passenger train is x km per hour, average speed of the express train is x plus 14 km. Time required for the passenger train is equals to. Now what is the time? That is the velocity is equals to distance upon time. Therefore the time is equals to distance upon velocity. That is equals to 168 upon x hours. And the time required for the express train, that is a 168 upon x plus 14 hours. From the given condition, what is that? This is the speed of the passenger train, time of the passenger train, and this is the time of the express, and their difference is 1 hour. That is a 168 upon x minus 168 upon x plus 14 equals to 1. Now simple calculation, cross multiplication is here. 168 in bracket x plus 14 minus 168 into x upon the product of these two terms, that is x into x plus 14 equals to 1. And after the simplification, you are getting the 168 into 14 upon x in bracket x plus 14 equals to 1. Therefore, x in bracket x plus 14 is equals to 168 into 14. And after simplification, you are getting x square plus 14x minus 2352 equals to 0. Now factorize these two numbers. That is a x square plus 56x minus 42x minus 2352 equals to 0. Now take the common terms, x is common and minus 42 is common. Then you are getting the x plus 56 in first bracket and second bracket x minus 42 equals to 0. Therefore x plus 56 equals to 0 or x minus 42 equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to minus 56 or x is equals to 42. But the speed is not negative. Therefore x is equals to 42. Therefore the speed of the passenger train is equals to 42 km per hour and the speed of the express train is equals to 42 plus 14, that is equals to 56 km per hour. The next question is, the following table is based on the marks of the first term examination of the 10th class students. Show the information by histogram. Also draw a frequency polygon with the help of the histogram. Now the student, the class mark is given, that is a 325, number of the student is 25, 375, 35, 425, 45, and in this way the odd. Now we'll first of all construct the table. Now see this table, class mark. Using this class mark we can find out the classes. That's a 300 to 350, 350 to 400, 400 to 450, 450 to 500, and 500 to 550, 550 to 600, and the frequency and their respective their coordinates. Now by using these points we can draw the graph. To draw the graph we have taken the scale. Here is taken the scale. X is equals to 1 centimeter is equals to 10 student. Y axis is equals to 1 centimeter is equals to 50 marks, and in this way here is a green line. And before that, the first is the frequency is here is 0, and then after plotting these points and join by with the scale, then you will get the histogram as well as the frequency polygon with the help of the histogram. Before that writing, you must mention the name of the axis, that is a class mark on the x-axis, and number of the student on the y-axis. If we plot this graph in this, we will get the full credit. Now we'll see the next example. A bag contains in all 50 balls. Some of are the white, some are the blue, and some are the red. The number of the white ball is 11 times the number of blue balls. The number of the red ball is less than the number of the white balls also. The number of the red ball is more than the number of blue ball. If one of ball is selected at random from the bag, what is the probability that it is a red ball? Now we'll see the answer. Let the number of the blue ball be, red ball is R, and white ball is W. As per given condition, that is a blue ball is smaller in number and the bigger in number is white, and intermediate between it's a red ball. Now in this case, इथे आपण प्रत्येकदा कंडिशन्स घेणार. समजा ब्ल्यू बॉल बरोबर 1 घेतला तर व्हाईट कसे असतात तर व्हाईट हे ब्ल्यूच्या 11 टाइम्स असते दॅट इज इक्वल्स टू 11. Again the blue ball is equals to 1, then the white ball is equals to 11 into 1, that is 11. Hence the R will be 38. But this is not possible as per the given condition. If the blue ball is equals to 2, then the white is equals to 11 into 2, that is a 22. Hence red ball is 26. This is again not possible. But if B is equals to 3, then what about the white is 33, R is 40. This is possible. Therefore now blue is 3, red is 14 and white is 33. Let the event that the ball is red be capital R. N of R is equals to 14, N of S is equals to 50. Therefore the probability of a ball drawn red is N of R upon N of S. That is a 14 upon 50 and that is a 7 upon 25. Therefore the probability of the ball drawn is a 7 upon 25. Now next last question. There are 3 dealers A, B and C in Maharashtra. Suppose the trade of each of them in September 2018 as shown in the following table. The rate of the GST on each transaction was 5%. Read the table and answer the questions given below. डीलर ए दिलेला विद्यार्थी मित्रो आणि त्याने कलेक्ट केलेला GST 5000 and paid at the purchase 6000. That's ITC 5000 and tax paid 0 and the tax balance towards the government is 1000. For the B it is a 5000, 4000, ITC is 4000, tax paid is 1000 and balance is 0. For the C, GST collected 5000, paid 5000, ITC is 5000, tax paid and the tax balance both are 0. Now we'll see the questions. How much amount did the dealer A get by the sale? Now we'll see the answer. The sale of the dealer A is equals to 100 upon 5 into 5000 and that is equals to 1 lakh. The purchase of the dealer B is equals to 100 upon 5 into 4000 and that is 80,000 rupees. The balance of CGST paid by A, that is 1000 upon 2, that is equals to 500 and SGST is also rupees 500 and in this way we have completed the third part of this question paper. विद्यार्थी मित्रों या प्रकारे आपण हा तिसरा भाग पूर्ण केलेला आहे. निश्चितच तुम्हाला हा आवडलेला असेलच. याचा पुन्हा सराव करा. या प्रकारे आपण इंग्रजी माध्यमाच्या तिन्ही प्रश्नपत्रिकांचे एक्सप्लेनेशन मी माझ्या सोप्या भाषेत करायचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. निश्चितच तुम्हाला तुमच्या गुणवत्तेत वाढ होण्यास मदत होईल. तुम्हाला परीक्षेसाठी शुभेच्छा.